Today, we will listen to a short English composition called At the Train Station. Last month, I went to the train station with my parents because we were traveling to another city. The train station in our town is always busy, especially in the morning and in the afternoon. When we entered the building, we saw the ticket office and the large electronic board that shows arrivals and departures. People were standing in line to buy tickets, while others were checking the schedule carefully. Some passengers were carrying heavy suitcases and others had backpacks. After buying our tickets, we went to the platform. We walked through an underground passage that connects the platforms. Outside, the air was cold and we could hear the sound of trains arriving and leaving. On the platform, people were waiting patiently. Some were talking on the phone, others were reading or listening to music. When our train arrived, it stopped slowly and the doors opened. The conductor checked our tickets before we got on. The train had several carriages and we found our seats near the window. I like looking outside while the train moves through towns, fields, and hills. Traveling by train feels relaxing and comfortable. Even if the train station can sometimes be crowded and noisy, it is an important place that connects cities and people. In my opinion, the train station is a place full of movement, emotions, and new beginnings.